Maayong adlaw, this is JPerpetualKid at tara, let's explore Siquijor. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Free Seaside House at Barangay Kang Alwang, Siquijor. Dayon kamo.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Again, we're here at Barangay Kang Alwang, Siquijor para explore po natin this private residence for long-term renters. Again, we're looking for long-term renters for this private residence here in Barangay Kang Alwang, Siquijor. So let's explore this house. So this is the living area. So it's newly repainted, and everything that you can see here, like the sofa, the TV, the tables, pwede nyo pong gamitin yan for free. And this is your dining area. You have your new chandelier, and we have a new refrigerator, and look at this very spacious na mga cabinets here in your kitchen, and you have your gas range, so you can use that one as well. And here on the ground floor we have your two toilet. So this is your toilet number 1, your sink, and then another toilet, and we have a very spacious shower area on this side. So this toilet and bath leads to the garage. Yan. So if galing kayo nag-shopping and all, and you have all your mga pinamili, and then naiihi agad kayo, so this is very convenient location. And we're back here at the kitchen, or dining area rather, and we go to the second floor to explore the room. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, and this is your first air-conditioned room. They already have a sofa bed, so you can use that one. And what's best about this room is that it has its own toilet and bath. Ayan po. It's spacious. It has everything that you need. And kung gusto niyo ng sariling office, you can convert this one into an office room, di ba? Spacious and malapit sa CR for your CR break, and then it's already air conditioned. And this pathway leads to 2 more rooms. And here's your bedroom number 2. Again, it's also air conditioned, and you have your sockets. Ayan. Or again, you can have a table and chair there, your study area or your working area. So that is the perfect spot. And you have your small cabinet over there. So this is room number 2. And finally, ayan, here's room number 3. Look at how gorgeous the bed cover is. So again, it is air conditioned. It has a ceiling fan with light, and you have your outlets. You can have another table here to work, your cabinet over there, and you can open your windows to breathe in fresh air. So ngayong tanghali, at this lunchtime, it's so hot outside, so you can turn on your aircon, while early in the morning or late in the afternoon, you can open your windows to allow fresh air to come into your house or your room. And we open this one. We're here at the balcony. We say hi to our neighbors over there. Ayan. And so we're going back to the room, and this is your living area and your dining area. So if you want to know more about this place, you want to know how much is the monthly rental, please contact the official Facebook page of the owner of this house. Ayan, we have a rocking chair. Ang lamig dito, I mean mahangin dito, kaya malamig. And as you can see, we have a garage in here. It has already a roof, and it has a very spacious cemented grounds for your other cars. If you have a lot of cars, I mean, you can just park it here. And let's go to the beach, okay? So let's just go outside, and then right here at the side is a private road leading to the beach. This is part of the property of the owner, and we turn left here. That is the kitchen over there, and then the bathroom, and let's go straight. By the way, this property, it's 6,500 square meters, is for lease. So anyone who wants to build a resort or a house or anything, you can lease this property, the entire 6,500 square meters, or just a portion of it, like 1,000 square meters. Just message the official Facebook page of the owner for more details. So we arrived at Bye-Bye, or the shoreline. As you can see, there are a lot of mangroves. This area in Siquijor is famous or known for vast mangrove plantation. Okay, this is a fisherman's area, and if you're gonna live here, expect fresh seafood every day. You can buy directly from the fisherman, fish, seashells, and everything. And by the way, that is the mountain ranges of Negros Oriental, and that's Dumaguete over there. It's a perfect place actually to catch sunsets. It's either because the sunset is over there in the mountains at a specific time of the year, and then sometimes right here in the middle of Negros Island and Apo Island over there, na katabunan lang. So again, if you want to rent the private residence here in Barangay Kang Alwang, Siquijor, just message the official Facebook page. Again, this is JPerpetualKid. Hanggang sa susunod na Siquijor properties for sale or for lease. Ayo!